Hello crafters. Been missing MIA. I've had COVID. Take me a little bit of time to get over it. So I'm just easing myself in. I've got quite a few videos to make. Some lovely bits and pieces have come to me. I will get to them a bit at a time. I'm hoping I can get through with this without having one of my coughing fits. Anyway, so I'm doing the mini art album napkin one. So I've got this lovely napkin. I've already cut it up to make it quicker. I thought I'd do this one on camera. So there we are. There's the napkin in its entirety. I've cut out this side, the head. I was going to do something with these pieces, and then I just thought no, because it's just putting the napkin back. So what I've done, I've cut out that green, and I thought I might colour it in. Lovely darling Mick, he's an absolute sweetheart. He's been and got me these watercolours. Isn't he wonderful? So I thought I'd give these a go. I've had the tiniest of a go with them, and they're absolutely beautiful. So I thought I might have a little go. So we're gonna, if I stick this down, I had a little try, and if I stick this down, I then can't watercolour over where the sticky's gone. So I thought what I'd do is I'd do the watercolour, then I'll stick it down after. What do you think? Do you think that's going to work? I'm not sure. Anyway, I've had a little go. I've tried to video, and oh, got myself in a bit of a tiz. So anyway, let's give this a go. So I'm going to try and go with the colours on here. So what I've done is I've put the colours on this glass, and then we'll try and get as close as we can to them. I've had a little practice, as I've said, and it's not, because it's watercolour, it's so thin, it's very hard to get as close as you can to the colour. But let's see where the head's gonna go. So there we are. And I know what I'm meant to do. I know what I'm meant to do is, isn't it? It's put it on, and then you add the bits and pieces. Well, I can't do it. I'm ever so sorry. So I thought what I'd do is put the watercolour on first, and then let's see what that looks like when she's on. I don't need all of the Buddha's head. I just need to, I like that. What do you think? That's quite close to that colour, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. And then when this is on this side, and then I can hopefully watercolour over them. I'm probably going to mess this up. If I don't, doesn't matter. I've got another whole two sides here, look. So anyway, there we go. So I've got my heat gun. I'm going to do 1 minute. It's a shame because it's metallic, and that is a shame because you can't see the glistening in it. It's actually glistening. Right, let me see. Now, if I do this metallic pink around the outside, like as a border, hopefully that will. I like to smidge in I don't like the straight lines with this. That's something I've got to work on. Oh, no, it's such a shame you can't see it, but it is glistening. But quite a lot of technique is needed. I like that. Right, okay. So let's give it another zap. Sorry, let's give it another zap. And of course, Nick's got it now. He's 5 days behind me. Looked after me very well, so I've looked after him. He's been, poor little sausage. He's been in bed for 3 days. Mick, in the whole, I've been with him since I was 14 and a half, and I'm 60 now. He's never had a day off work in his life. He cut the top of his finger off on one of the machines because he had a bit of a cold. And everyone, Emma and everyone, told him not to go in, and he did. And he cut the top of his finger off because he weren't on the ball. And he's actually just had 3 days in bed, so it's knocked him for 6. Thank goodness we had our jabs. I'm telling you, I can't stress enough how grateful I am for those jabs. I know we would have been a lot iller if we hadn't have had the 2 jabs, the booster and the flu jab. I'm having anything and everything they've got on offer, I'm telling you. That's what I'm doing. Right, now that's lovely and dry. I'm now going to glue. I'm now going to glue this Buddha's wonderful head on. Oh, I like that. What do you think? That's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. There we go. Oh, it's smashing. I wish you could see the metallic. It definitely works. Now, I've got a feeling this is not going to work. The minute I start doing this, I'm not going to be able to do that, am I? How am I going to do this? Right, so if I just do this little bit here, because we don't want to stop that from painting. Oh, now look. Right, happy with that. So now we're going to try a bit of purple. We can see there's a bit of purple, bit of yellow. Where's my little tiny whizzy one? There we go. Okay, let's give it a go. Bit nervous, I must say. Never really been a painter. Now, purple. Let's start with this really. Oh, this is nice. This is metallic as well. Let's get a lot of colour on there. You really have to work with these watercolours, don't you? Which I like. If it's not working on this napkin, I will go to acrylics, but I'm hoping to be able to. Excuse me. Oh yeah, yeah, that's working. That's lovely. Right, now I'm just going to work a little bit harder and quicker, because we do not want this. We do not want this video being 8 hours long. I've not got 8 hours in me, to be honest. Right. Does that look any good? Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Right, let's do a little bit of that yellow. What it's done is done each side of that is yellow, and look at me freehanding. Get me. Oh, I like these already. And let's go purple. It's going to probably ruin it now, it's too dark. No, it's alright. Now I'm going to try and do like a lighter colour, because I know what I'm doing. All you painters out there, I'm doing it as if it's a felt tip, aren't I? And I'm meant to be doing that and then bringing in the water, but it being on top of a napkin, I'm not confident enough, I'm afraid. So if I just do it, and then when it's dry, I shall go over with a bit of white and try and highlight it. Do what I've seen you all do. Right, now let's see about this pink. This I've gone over the line a little bit there. What am I? 2? That's really soaking up the... Love it. Oh, I'm so glad I went with this now. Right, okay. Now then. A little bit of the shakes. Perhaps this wasn't a good idea. Mr. Flower, look. Oh. I'm pleased. I'm pleased with that. Where was the pink? Am I gonna ruin it? No. Okay. Now what I am gonna do, a little bit of glossy accents on the Buddha's bubbles. And let's see what occurs with that. Oh no. Oh, why does that always happen? Right. I don't think I'm going to get them out. No, it's not coming out. And I am in the mood. I'll end up cutting it off. And then I won't... There's a bit in this one. Hopefully I've got enough to... Beautiful. Oh. Let's see. Okay. There. There we go. Hopefully that's okay. Dries it all right. There's a little glistening bits. Can you see? That's my napkin. That's my napkin. There's me sweets. Are you still on a diet? Read my hips. I had to colour this in, as you can see. I could not match the colour, but I've done it. And then there's my mandala. Is that what you call it? There's my mandala. I have cheated. I've cut circles out and laid circles of paper on top. Then I've laid these half quarter circles, put them together in the black on the paper, and then I've dotted it up afterwards. So there we go, napkin, sweet and mandala. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I'll try and upload some more videos in the next couple of days. Bye.